Hi guys, I'm Maluk Jamadia. Today I'm going to teach you the topic called the difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics. Okay, we'll try to differentiate micro and macroeconomics on the basis of their definitions. Firstly, I will try to read it out the definitions of macroeconomics. Macroeconomics is defined as that part of economics theory which studies the behavior of aggregate of the economics as whole. Now I will go to the definitions of microeconomics. It is defined as that part of economics that studies the behavior of individual unit of an economy. Basically, the simple difference in their definition is that in microeconomics, it will study the behavior of individual economic agent of an economy. But whereas in micro, but whereas in macroeconomics, it will try to study the behavior of aggregate of an economic as whole. Now we will move to the second point, that is tool of analysis. In microeconomics, demand and supply is used as the main source for analyzing the problem of economics. But whereas in macroeconomics, aggregate demand and aggregate supply is used for analyzing the problems of the economics. On the basis of their main objective, we will try to analyze it now. In microeconomics, it aims to determine the price of a commodity or the factor of production. But whereas in macroeconomics, it aims to determine the income and employment level of the economy. On the basis of their basic assumption, we find that in microeconomics, it assumes all macro variables to be constant. That is, it assumes that national income, consumption, saving, etc. are constant. But whereas in macroeconomics, it assumes that all micro variables like decisions of households and farms, price of individuals' products, etc. are constant. In their assumption, you will notice a simple change, that is, whatever the macro variable will be constant in case of microeconomics, but whereas for macroeconomics, whatever the micro variable will be constant there. Other name for microeconomics is that it is also known as the price theory. But whereas macroeconomics, it is considered as the income and employment theory. Example of microeconomics are individual demand and outputs of firm. Example of macroeconomics are national income and national output. Thank you guys for taking trouble and watching my videos for a long moment, hearing my boring lecture. I think you are all getting frustrated, but I hope so. I will try to bring forward more better and the best whatever I can do to entertain you and to to educate you in a better way. And kindly share your suggestion also to improve myself. Thank you.